Hi, this is Upendra, Senior Chemistry Faculty in VIITJEE Academy. This academy is being run by Vamshi sir. He is an IITN and eminent physics professor in Hyderabad. So let us start solutions for 2024 chemistry NEET paper, right? So in T3 paper, we are going to discuss the solutions. So it is the first question given. So we have to match it. We have to match this. Here A, 1 mole of H2O2 oxygen, 1 mole of permanganate to Mn plus 2. C, 1.5 mole of calcium from molten calcium chloride, 1 mole of FeO2, Fe2O3. Here Faraday is given. And Faraday's moles, number of moles of electron relation we have to take. So here 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulombs equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 electrons. So if you take this 1 Faraday equal to 1 mole of electrons, right? So here based on this, we have to find the answer for this. Here suppose if you take the first option, 1 mole of H2O, 2 oxygen. Here H2O gives rise to H plus 2 electrons plus half mole of oxygen. So in this process, 2 moles of electrons means 2 Faradays. And coming to the permanganate 2 Mn plus 2. Here oxidation state is plus 7, here plus 2. Difference is, here just wait. So difference is 5 electrons, so 5 Faradays. So first option, there should be 2 Faraday. A must be 2. So in this, A2, right? A2 in first and third option it is there. And B, suppose if you take B 5 Faradays, means B must be 4. A2, B 4. So it is there in the third option as well as A2 is there in first option, third option. Here A2, B4 is there in third option. Therefore, for this the answer is here 3 we can take. For first 51 question, the answer is taken as 3. Right. Next question. Which reaction is not a redox reaction? Redox reaction means there must be a change in the oxidation state. Here coming to the second option, here barium chloride, here sodium sulfate, right? Here barium sulfate, here 2 NaCl. See, suppose if you take the oxidation state, here plus 2, here plus 1, here also plus 2, plus 1. No change in the oxidation state. Thus, what is not redox reaction in this means second option. Here for second, here 52 question, second option is correct one. So next question, 53. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in. So generally intramolecular hydrogen bond is present in ortho products like ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde, ortho-hydroxynitrobenzene. So ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid like that, ortho-hydroxynitrobenzene. So here ortho derivative, all ortho products we can take. So here in this, it is meta, it is simply hydrogen fluoride, it is ortho, it is para. So that's why intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in ortho product. Here solution is third. And next question, failing solution. Here in the carbonyl compounds, we can use failing solution. So in the detection of aldehydes, we can generally use failing solution. It contains both failing A and failing B. Here failing A has been asked. So it is the alkaline copper sulfate solution. So it is Rochely salt. So where is the alkaline aqueous copper solution, copper sulfate solution, that we have to check. So this is the aqueous copper sulfate. Here for this question, the solution is taken as 3. And later, here 55 question. 1 gram of sodium hydroxide was treated with 25 ml of 0.75 m HCl solution. The mass of sodium hydroxide left unreacted. Here, the answer given in terms of milligrams. So you better to calculate the millimoles by writing the balanced equation. So here the balanced equation is, here we have to take the reaction between NaOH and HCl, here NaCl and water. Here 1 gram given, 1 gram given. Here 25 ml of 0.75 m HCl given. Here we have to calculate the millimoles. Here millimoles equal to molarity into V in ml. Here molarity given as here 0.75 into 25 milliliter is equal to 18.75. Here 1 gram 1 by 40 into 10 power 3 millimoles we can get. So here it is equal to 25 millimoles. Here in the reaction, 25 millimoles of NaOH, here 18.75 millimoles of HCl involved. So that how much NaOH left means, here NaOH left equal to 25 minus 18.75 equal to 6.25. Here weight has been given. Therefore, weight equal to 6.25 into 40. So it is equal to 250 milligrams we can get. So your answer is 4th option. Here you have to calculate millimoles because the answer has been asked in terms of milligrams. So you have to calculate millimoles first. And next question, here matching. So see here ammonia trigonal pyramidal. So by this you can find out the answer because A ammonia, it is a trigonal pyramidal. A is 1. In all these, A is 1. A1 given in only 3rd option. Here A3 given, A2 given, here A2 given, A1 given only in 3rd option. Therefore, the solution is for this here 3rd. And next question. Here Mn plus 3 oblique Mn plus 2, right? Here Cr plus 3 oblique Cr plus 2, right? Fe plus 3 oblique Fe plus 2 given. Here the question is the reduction potential value for Mn plus 3 oblique Mn plus 2 couple is more. So what happens here? Here suppose if you take the manganese electronic configuration, argon core 4s2 3d5, Mn plus 2 we can get argon core 4h0 3d5, Mn plus 3 here we can get argon core 4h0 3d4. Here it is a D4 configuration, it is a D5. In the reduction, D4 is to be converted into D5. Therefore, here option is taken as 1. And next 58th question. Again match the following given. Here also by seeing first one, you can easily find out the answer. Isothermal process nothing but which is carried out at constant temperature. Means A must be 2. A2 given in only one option. That's why for 58, option is 2. And later, for 59th question, activation energy of any chemical reaction can be calculated if one knows the value of your activation energy formula you have to write. Here, what is the activation energy formula means? Here, log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 or 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Here, rate constant values are there. Here, K1 and K2 and temperature T1 and T2 are there. So thus, it is depending on rate constant at two different temperature, because there is a rate constant here and temperature here. So it is depending on both rate constant as well as temperature. Thus here, second option is correct. And coming to next question, a compound with a molecular formula C6H14 has two tertiary carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon atom means carbon must be surrounded by 3 carbon atoms. What is that? What is its IUPAC? So here we have to take it as, here I am writing here 4 carbon, totally 6 carbon atoms are given. Here 1 carbon, here 1 carbon. Now it is a tertiary, it is also tertiary carbon, right? So here, since it is requiring 2 tertiary carbon atoms, so what is the name means? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2,3-dimethyl butane. 2,3-dimethyl butane. Here, option 1 is correct. And next question. Spin-only magnetic moment is same. Spin-only magnetic moment is same means they must have same number of unpaired electrons. Same number of unpaired electron. Here titanium plus 3. Here we can write argon core 4H0 3D1. Chromium plus 2. Argon core 4H0 3D4 we can write. Manganese plus 2. Here argon core 4H0 3D5 we can write. Fe plus 2 we can write it as argon core 4H0 3D6. Here number of unpaired electron 1, 4, 5, here 4. Then what is answer? Here answer must be Cr plus 2 and Fe plus 2. Cr plus 2 is there in B, Fe plus 2 is there in D. Here B and D, B and D, here third option, right? We can go for next question. Arrange the following elements in the increasing order of electronegativity. In the electronegativity, my dear students, so when we teach electronegativity, generally we can say like this: fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen than nitrogen. First you check it. If that order is there, that is the answer. Here fluorine should be greater than oxygen, greater than nitrogen. Here fluorine is greater than oxygen, greater than nitrogen. Thus answer is third. And next question, here 63. Which of the following alcohols react instantaneously? Instantaneously means suddenly they should react with Lucas reagent. Here the order of reactivity towards Lucas reagent, tertiary greater than secondary. Even primary cannot react with Lucas reagent at room temperature. Thus, the answer should be tertiary alcohol. Where is tertiary alcohol? We have to check. Here it is primary, it is tertiary, and here again it is primary. Our answer should be tertiary, no? So thus, answer is B here. Answer is B. Here, next question. Given below are two statements. Here, what has been given? Hexaamine cobalt-3 ion given. Hexafluoro cobalt-8 ion given. Both are octahedral because coordination number is 6. And here, both are octahedral, but it is the strong field ligand. So it is the weak field ligand. Thus it is diamagnetic. So it is paramagnetic. Here in statements, what has been given? Both are complexes octahedral, but differ in their magnetic behavior, right? Here it is diamagnetic, it is paramagnetic. So both the statements are correct. So where it is, we have to check. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Here 1 is false, no. both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. So here, third option is answer. So both are correct. And next question. Here, given below are two statements. Generally, the boiling point increases with molecular mass. Why water has abnormal boiling point means it has hydrogen bonds in it. So that only given here. So that's why it is the order, this order is correct. At the same time, water has hydrogen bonds in it. This statement is also correct. Here, both statement 1 and 2 are true. So here, we can take it as third option. And coming to again match the following given. See, interestingly, quantum numbers. So N, L, M, S generally we can take. Here, N, L, M, S. So this is essay question. Everybody can think about it and they will write, they will understand about this. So here N principal quantum number. Principal quantum number can indicate size. So first you take that. Your size of orbit, it is shape, right? It is the orientation, it is the spin of electron. Your N indicating size, here means D must be 2. D must be 2. D must be 2. Where D is 2? D2 given in only one option. Here, fourth option is correct. Here, fourth option. And next question. Here, it is based on reagents, organic chemistry, right? So here, it should be converted into ketone, means ozonolysis. Here, this is the compound given to you. Observe it carefully. When it is subjected to ozonolysis, we can get moles of cyclohexanone, O3Zn water we have to take. A must have O3, means A is 4. A4 given in two options, maybe first answer or third answer. Second one you see, it is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. B must be 1. Here what did I say? A is, according to this given options, A must have 4. So A is 4. B 1. Here B is 1. So can we find answer with this or not? We have to see. A4, B1, A4, B1. In two options it has been given, right? So that's why we have to go to C. What is C? Here, cyclohexanol to hexanone. Here, chromic anhydride we can take. C is 2. A4, B1, C2. A4, B1, C2. Here A4, B1, C3 there. So that's why A4, A4, B1, B1, here C2. Here C2, where C2 is, we can find, here we can find C2 at second, we see this. Here A4, right, B1, A4, B1, C2. So it is first option. A4, B1, C2. A4, B1, C2. It is the first option. And later, we can go for next question. Identify the correct reagents that would bring about the following transformation. Here, 3-cyclohexyl propene, right? Here, it to be converted into, here, it to be converted into a respective aldehyde, means first it should be converted into alcohol. Here, anti-Markovnikov rule or hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation means here, fourth option, followed by H2O2 OH minus. Next, here what we can get, respective alcohol we can get. Here, that alcohol, here we can get alcohol, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. It is the alcohol to be found. Later it is subjected to oxidation, means PCC. So there should be HBO, means hydroboration oxidation, diborane, hydrogen peroxide, and PCC. Here, what is the option here means? Here, fourth option, right? Here, next question. The reagents with which glucose does not react to give the corresponding test. Actually, glucose, it does not give Schiff's test and as well as sodium bisulfite test. Schiff's test and sodium bisulfite, B and E. Your option is 1 year. And later, next question. Here also match the following given. Ethane. A is ethane. Ethane we can write like this. There is only one sigma bond between carbon atom. B ethene. Ethene means there is double bond between carbon atom, one sigma and one pi bond. So A, one sigma bond. A, only one sigma bond. A must be 3. A must be 3. Ethene. Ethene contains one sigma and one pi bond. Where is one sigma and one pi bond? Here, fourth option. Fourth, A3B4. A3B4 in both options are there. That's why the answer must be between 1 and 2. And later, C2 molecule, as per MOT, it has 2 pi bonds. Here, C2, C given no? Here, C must have 2 pi bonds. C2, A3, B4, C2, A3, B4, C2, C2, 2 pi bonds. So thus, your option is 1. And later, next question. Among the group 16 elements, which one does not show -2? In the any group, gradually the metallic nature increases. Since metallic nature increases, tendency to exhibit positive oxidation state decreases. Thus, your answer is polonium, more metallic, radioactive, and metallic. Answer is polonium. And later, your Kc, your direction of reaction asked. So direction of reaction. So when direction of reaction asked, we have to depend on Qc and Kc. If Kc is greater, here forward reaction. If Kc is smaller, it is the backward reaction. Here, suppose if you calculate Qc here, Qc 1 you can get. Here Kc 4 into 10 power minus 3. Kc value less than Qc. That backward reaction. Here, where backward reaction given here, reaction has tendency to go in backward direction. Here, option 1. So it is the question based on Qc and Kc. Here, Kc is smaller than Qc. So that's why it is backward reaction. And later, coming to the next question. So this is based on Arrhenius equation. K equal to A into e power minus Ea by RT. Ln K equal to ln A minus Ea by RT or into 1 by T, right? Here, what has been given? Slope ln K, y equal to mx plus c, right? It is a negative slope. Here, negative slope given in only one option, that is here, second option. Here it is 2, second option. And later, come to the Kp, Kc. If delta Ng equal to 0, Kp equal to Kc. Not equal to 0, Kp not equal to Kc. Here delta Ng 0, here also delta Ng 0, here delta Ng is positive. Therefore, in this case, Kp is not equal to Kc. Therefore, answer is third option. Here coming to the 75 question. Here also statement type of question. Here the boiling point of 3 isomeric pentane. Here normal pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. neopentane. As the number of branches increases, boiling point gradually decreases because intermolecular attractions decreases, so boiling point decreases. So thus we see the statement now. Here, what is the statement one? The boiling point of 3 isomeric pentanes follows the order. N-pentane follows the order, right? Statement 2, when branching increases, the molecule attains a shape of sphere. So here the intermolecular forces between spherical molecules are weak. Appropriate answer is. So here, as the branches increases, boiling point decreases. Here statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is also correct. Both are correct. Here both the statements correct given in third option. Here coming to the next question. The compound that will undergo SN1 reaction with fastest rate. So here we have to depend on this relation, tertiary, secondary, primary. So it is the SN1 order. Here coming to this, it is secondary, but it is benzylic, right? It is benzylic. So here it is the second option. Here coming to the 77. In which of the following process entropy increases? When entropy increases, what happens? Number of particles increases, temperature should increase. Here, state of matter, solid to liquid, liquid to gas, that should increase. A liquid evaporates to vapor. Here, entropy increases. A is correct, right? Temperature of crystalline solid lowered. Here, temperature decreases means entropy decreases. B not correct. Here, solid converted into gas. B, C, entropy increases. Here, chlorine molecule to chlorine atoms. Here also, entropy increases. Your answer is first option, A, C, and D. And later, on heating, some solid substances change from solid to vapor. Here, solid to vapor means it is sublimation. Your answer is fourth option. Here it is sublimation, right? And next, so coming to the 80th question. So NO2 there means it involves in linkage isomerism. So A must be 2, right? Here sulfate bromide ions are there. They involve in ionization isomerism. Here B must be 3, right? Here it is C, coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism means C must be 4. So that we have to check A2 in both the options given. B3, A2, B3, C4. So thus here C is the option. So next question. Again it is statement. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. It's true because it combines with AlCl3 and forms the complex. And statement 2, aniline cannot be prepared by Gabriel thalamide process. It is also true because chlorobenzene does not involve in nucleophilic substitution. Here statement 1 is true, statement 2 also true. Both are correct answers. Where that option is there, statement 1 is incorrect. Both statement 2 are true. Here C is the option here. And later, coming to the elements, ionization energy. That ionization energy in periods we can take like this. Here first, second, third, and fourth. Here what are the elements given? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Here NS1, NS2, NS2, NP1, NS2, NP2, electronic configuration, right? So here first, since it is completely filled orbital, second is more. So next, fourth. So thus here what is the order means? Lithium, beryllium, and carbon. Where that order is there? Lithium, boron, beryllium, carbon. So thus, your option is D. D option. Lithium, boron, beryllium, and carbon. And next, here the highest number of helium atoms. So general frequently asked question, it is from NCERT. So number of atoms directly proportional to number of moles. Number of moles. That's number of moles you check. Here 4 grams of helium means 1 mole. Here also number of moles less. 4 moles means here C is the option. And next, coming to 84, the most stable carbocation among the following. It is a GOC question. Here, in general, tertiary carbon more stable than secondary than primary. Now see this. This is primary carbonium. It is tertiary. It is secondary. It is secondary. So B is a correct option in this. And next, 85, Henry's law, solubility, Henry's law given. Here, simple logic is there that solubility inversely related to Henry's constant. That value is given A, B, and C given, A, B, and C. A value 145, B value 2 into 10 power minus 5, C value 35. Here, suppose if you take this, B has least value, here B, next to that of B is the C, next to that A, B, C, A. Here, D is the correct option. And next question. Here, compound X contains, it is the compound X contains 3 elements again. Here, one is A, another one is B, another one is C. Here, 32% of A, its atomic mass given 64. Here, 20% of B, its mass given is 40. And here, how much remaining percentage of here C given, remaining percentage means 100 minus here 32 plus 20. Here 100 minus how much it is 52 means 48. Here 48 by here 32. So if you simplify this, so you can get the A, B, C 3 we can get A, B, C 3 because here 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, here 3 by 2. So suppose if you take the simplest ratio among this, so finally you can get A, B, C 3. So here option is D here. Here next, it is the question based on alkyl halide preparation from alcohol. 87, here 3ROH, they have given PCl3, here 3RCl plus H3PO3, and later ROH, PCl5, RCl, POCl3 and HCl we can get. Here what is A means phosphorus acid. What is B means POCl3. H3PO3, POCl3. Here option is taken as B. Here next, 88. The plot of osmotic pressure versus concentration means here osmotic pressure, concentration, phi equal to CRT. Here graph given, you take it as only one term. Here y equal to mx, y equal to mx. Here m is slope equal to RT, right? Here slope value given, how much given? Straight line with slope 25.73 given, almost units are same. R value also given, 0.083, T must be known. T equal to 25.73 by 0.083, 0.083. So this value, we can take it as this value is equal to here 310 Kelvin. From this, we have to subtract 273. So by this, we can get 10 minus 3, 7. Here, 3, 37 degrees Celsius. Answer is C. Here, we have to check the slope. Slope, we have to consider it as RT, slope given. From slope, we can get the value in terms of Kelvin scale. But answer has been given in degrees Celsius. So we can get 37 degrees Celsius. Here, next question. Here, again, it is based on organic chemistry alkenes. In the organic chemistry, when we teach here RCH or KMNO4 acidic medium, here cleavage occurs. This turns into aldehyde. Later it turns into carboxylic acid. Here carboxylic acid is answer. So here instead of R, what has been given means the cyclohexyl ring given. The cyclohexyl ring we can take like this. So now it turns into COOH. So where is COOH here? Here D is the option. D option. Here next question. Here this is the homoleptic, right? Because same type of ligand, homoleptic. It is the heteroleptic. It is also correct because different types of ligands. Here complex has only one kind. Here different kinds. Both are correct. Both the statements are correct. Here where there has been given false, true. Here statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Here C is the answer here. And coming to next question. During the preparation of more solution you might have known ferrous ammonium sulfate, we can add dilute H2SO4 to that. So what is where is dilute H2SO4 here? Here solution B is correct one in this. Here coming to next question. Identify the correct answer. Correct answer based on your chemical bonding it is given. Dipole moment of NF3 not greater, it is lesser. Here greater given, it is not correct. Here 3 canonical forms can be drawn. It's true because it has 3 sigma bonds in it. Here C double bond O minus and minus, 3 sigma bonds, 3 canonical forms are written. The 3 resonance structures can be drawn for ozone. No, only 2. BF3 has non-zero, it has 0 dipole moment. Therefore, what is correct option here? Correct option is taken as B. Here, coming to next question, right? It is the question based on semi-micro analysis. To find out the answer, you have to know the cations groups. Here, first group, we can take here lead ion. Second group, in general, copper ion. Third group, we can take Al+3. Fourth group, we can take manganese, cobalt, nickel, like that. Fifth group, we can take it as calcium, barium, strontium. Sixth group, we can take it as magnesium ion, potassium ion, like that. So this order you must know first. So here A given aluminum +3. A aluminum +3. It is A. Al+3 belonging to third group, right? And B copper given. B copper. Copper given as second group. Means first copper comes. First copper comes means B comes first. B is there in both the options. B there in both the options. Next A. Next A. So thus it is C, right? If you know this order, Here lead is first group, copper is second group, aluminum third group, and so on. So based on this, we can find out, right? Here B comes first because lead not given, copper given, copper first. Copper first means B. B must be first. So B in both the options it is given. Next Al plus 3, that is there in A. Next to that is A, BA. So BA there only in one option. Therefore, C is answer here. And later, coming to the 94, it is also a question based on reaction nucleophilic substitution followed by Hoffman hypobromamide reaction. So here CH3, CH2, CH2I plus NaCN, right? Here we can get CH3, CH2, CH2CN, butane nitrile. Next, what has been given? Hydrolysis, partial hydrolysis. Partial hydrolysis, here amide is formed. Amide is formed. So next, what has been given? Bromamide, NaOH, Br2, right? Hoffman hypobromamide reaction, it is eliminated. We can get CH3, CH2, NH2, propyl amine. Where is propyl amine? We have to see. Here, C is the answer. Here, butane nitrile, butanamide, here, propyl amine. So coming to next question, the rate of reaction quadruples. Quadruples means it becomes 4 times. When temperature changes from 27 to 57 degrees Celsius, calculate the energy of activation. All values are given. Again, to calculate this, log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 or T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. It quadruples given log 4. EA we have to calculate. Here kilojoules asked 2.303, R value in kilojoules 8.314 into 10 power minus 3, and you substitute this temperature value. So this also given 0.6021. Upon substitution of this, we can get EA, activation energy. Mostly it is 38.04 kilojoules per mole. Your answer is C. So based on these 2 questions given, students, one is depending on temperature and rate constant. Another one, calculation of activation energy. And later, coming to 96, right? Here, first you have to calculate Kc, right? Kc. Here, product concentration by reactant concentration. Here, product concentration of N2 and O2 by concentration of NO power 2, right? And after calculating this, here, suppose if you substitute the values, here N2, 3 into 10 power minus 3 into, here O2 concentration, here 4.2 into 10 power minus 3 by NO, 2.8 into 10 power minus 3 m, here square. You can get Kc value from this. Later 2 ways are there. One of the simplest way is alpha equal to 2 into root Kc by 1 plus 2 into root Kc. So by that, you can get the value, that is the 0.717 we can get. 0.717, right? It is one of the ways. One more is also there, that is here. Again, I am writing that reaction 2NO in equilibrium with N2 and O2, right? Here, assume it as X. Here, 0.1 given, 0.1 minus X, here X by 2, here also X by 2. From this we can get Kc, from this we can get X value. So once that is known, that will become alpha, which is equal to 0.717. 0.717 is answer here. And later, coming to work done, here no need to calculate even by using formula itself, because here isothermal expansion given. In isothermal expansion, W is negative. W is negative. The negative value only one given, that is D here. Here D option, D is correct. And later 98. The mass in grams of copper deposited. It is the question based on first law of Faraday. Here M equal to ECT by 96,500. Right? Here that values are given. Here atomic weight of copper given as 63. Here electric current in amperes. Electric current in amperes given as, here we can get Faraday also. Instead of writing like this, ECT by F we can get 9.6487. Time should be taken in seconds, 100 seconds by, here F value given 96487. Right? This is the data given to you. Here equivalent mass we have to calculate here. By 2 we can get. By 2. So here if you simplify this, you can get 0.315 grams. 0.315 grams. Your answer is D. And next 99 question. Major products A and B form in the following reaction sequence, right? So here, what is the reactant given in this means OH, here CH3, here PBr3 given, PBr3, here we can get Br and CH3. Later alcoholic KOH, nothing but beta elimination, alcoholic KOH. So this is alpha carbon, beta, it is beta. That Sergev rule we have to take, Sergev rule. So from here, hydrogen is eliminated. By that we can get, so this product. So these are the two options, A and B. So where bromine is present, there we have to check. In C it is there and D also. Here alkene is formed here, thus it is a C option. C is option, right? And last question, the pair of lanthanide ions which are diamagnetic. So if you know this, based on electronic configuration, here cerium +4 diamagnetic, not +3. So thus cerium +4 and ytterbium. It is based on electronic configuration. So questions purely based on NCERT. If you go through classroom notes well and NCERT, you can easily get good marks in this. 150 plus easily you can get, right? All the best.